Hello everyone, it's your one and only Teacher Thuli here. Welcome. Today we are going to learn about the rooms of the house. Okay, I hope you're ready. Let's go. Do you want to be a star in my next video? Ask your parents to send a short video. Tell me your name, where you are from, and why you love Teacher Thuli's channel, and you could be featured in the next lesson. Today we will learn the names of different rooms in a house. These are places where we live, sleep, eat, and relax. Let's begin. Kitchen, 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 kitchen. Living room, living room, living room, living room.
Perfect. Yes, practice.
Dining room,
Woo.
dining
Makes
room,
perfect.
dining room,
Yes, practice.
dining
Makes
room.
Woo.
Bedroom, 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 bedroom. Bathroom, 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 bathroom. Well done, everyone. Now let's make sentences. We will ask and answer questions. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's try together. What room is this? What room is this? This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen.
Practice. Makes
What room is this?
yes, practice.
What room is this?
Practice. Makes
This is the living room.
makes perfect.
This is the living room. This is the living room. What room is this? What room is this? This is the dining room. This is the dining room. This is the dining room. What room is this? What room is this? This is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. What room is this? What room is this? This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Great job as always, everyone. So today we learned about the rooms of the house. Keep practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect, but Teacher Thuli makes it easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, from your one and only Teacher Thuli, goodbye, see you, and thank you. Oh, I almost forgot. Take a look at my books on the screen for both children and adults, available on Amazon and Draft to Digital platforms listed on the screen. Thank you for learning with me. Until next time, from your one and only Teacher Thuli, goodbye, see you, and thank you.